Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a sports character animation just like this. Roll the intro. First we open up Illustrator and start using some basic shapes to create what will be the body of our character. As always, there will be a link in the description to download the project file for this tutorial so you can follow along. For the body, we're going to create two different shapes, the chest and the abdomen. After creating a rectangle shape, there will be a little dot in each corner which we can click and press Alt around each corner individually. We'll use this method for the head too, and create a fully rounded shape. Duplicate the head, then select the duplicate, press Shift to also select the body. Go to the Shape Builder tool and then click the overlapping area between the head and body to create a new shape. This is going to be our neck, so we want it a little darker in color than the head to create some clear distinction. Use the Circle Shape tool to create the basic hair shape. This is going to go behind our head layer. Then use the Pen tool to create some added detail which can give our character some visual interest. This will go in front of our head layer. Quickly organize our layers. Now you can save this as an Illustrator file and import to After Effects. I'm going to use this great little plugin called Overlord, however, to simply push these layers from Illustrator straight into After Effects. Now that we're in AE, what we need to do is parent each layers properly. So the chest will be our base. We'll parent the neck to the chest, the head to the neck, the hair to the head, and so on. I will also change the color of this background to make it pop a little more. In order to create the character's legs, we will be using Limber, which is a paid plugin, but it also has a free version called Limber Lite. Limber has built-in tools to make it really simple to adjust the width and color of limbs. As you can see, there's a lot of different creative looks we could go for here. With Limber, we have 2-point controllers that we can animate, the ankle and the hip. We want to parent the hip to the body of the character. We also want to make sure that the dynamics are set correctly of the movement we're after. So have the left side be 100% and then the right side be negative 100%. While Limber is also very capable of creating arms as well, I'm using a different plugin for this, Rubberhose. This is a much simpler limb-based tool and fits perfectly for this style of character. Rubberhose has styles that can be applied as well, so we're going to use the tight pants style for this, which will allow us to add the appearance of sleeves. Again, we want to parent the shoulders to the chest to ensure everything is rigged properly. We'll just create a basic squatting animation to show the movement of all the limbs. To add a little dimension to this, we'll also add in a couple keyframes of movement to the head and the hair individually. Add a keyframe to the wrist, then move ahead about 20 frames and move the wrist inwards. To ensure that this movement is curved rather than in a straight line, we can use the Pen tool too and press Alt on the endpoint, then drag our handle out to arch the motion. And there you have it. Hit subscribe and like for more content like this, and feel free to download the project file in the link below and use this character rig as a base to create your own unique animations.